You can contact ACK to see if kind of misdescription. Continuing northbound from Haskell. Traffic light, speeds around 100. And continuing north from Roswell. Blowing a light at Leavenworth and west on Leavenworth from 72nd. Traffic light, speeds about 100 still, westbound still. Passing traffic on the opposite side.
I'm going to end up disregarding if he keeps going on oncoming traffic.
Okay, this might be our shooting suspect, though. He's well ahead of us. Speeds are still around 100. And he's pretty far away from us, still westbound. I'm at 80th now, but he's probably a mile ahead of me.
Yeah, we're 83rd Street, still westbound. Speeds are 90.
Pretty hilly road. Traffic's still light. Try to gap a little bit. Yeah, try to. I don't want to pull out in front of me. Traffic's pretty much non-existent out here. Speeds are over 100. Smoking pretty good. Going top of the hill, smoking pretty good.
Yeah, he's smoking pretty good. He's slowed down. He's getting ready to go northbound up here.
Getting ready to head northbound after the street.
He just went over the median. He's going to end up. He's coming to a stop. We'll be foot bail. 2 code 3s. Heading north through the field. Northbound. Still 2 code 3s. One's wearing white pants, black, or white pants, silver shirt. Other ones I know. There's 2 code 4s still with the car. They stay with the car. We're northbound. A lot of closed off road. I'm not sure what road this is, but just closed off here. We're in some type of parking lot now.
See where you at?
We're heading back to the east here.
Last cross I had was 83rd Street. Can units advise how far past you were of 83rd Street?
402. Can you see if KCK's got a K9?
So far.
Hey, 402 or 517, can I drive around to the north side?
We're just east of 93rd Street on Leavenworth. 402 or 268, so I'm going to give out a location.
I'm working on it. We're going to be north of K5, east of 99th Street.
So far. For CK9 for KCK is not on duty. They're requesting if we need to call them out.
What do we have on the vehicle other than switch tag 268? Can you run the VIN and see what else we have in there? Yeah, I'll run it. This might be the car that keeps running from us. It was 402 Kansas City. KCK had reports of a rolling gun battle between 2 vehicles right where this vehicle was at. So they could be armed. If they want to call K9 out, if KCK believes this might be one of those vehicles, let them do so.
Bye.
268, I got a VIN.
268, go ahead.
VIN. 268.
268.
Did you advise us? Signal 11.
268, that's in for it. Showing signal 11 out of Overland Park on a 2010 Cadillac UTS, silver in color.
Yeah, Jennifer, I think this is the one we've been chasing a couple of days ago. They said that's a wooded area up there, and there's no way to get a vehicle on the north end. They also said their dogs aren't coming.
279 Kansas City, is there a Troop B boy K9 10-8? And also, if the guy's got a good perimeter and it's a wooded area, check on the availability of 650.
402, I believe we're 1015 times 1. 7 Kansas City, 215 with code 3 white pants, silver north face. Still one outstanding.
So far, 2128.
Contact Overland Park, and Detective Melvin was in charge of the case, but see if they're interested in processing the vehicle now that we have it, or if they just want us to impound it.